Here's how to change from an itemized deduction to standard deduction on TurboTax. So on the left-hand side, this is going to be kind of between menus here, or between pages. We look at the deductions and credits. If you've already been there, you're going to have this credit summary. And inside of this summary, basically, we're going to continue on to hit the deduction page. Not the deduction page, but the standard or itemized deduction page. So we're going to scroll down a little bit here until we see continue in the lower right. And then from there, we're going to answer the questions as needed, hit continue, and you're going to land on this standard deduction page. If you're currently on itemized, it may say standard deductions right for you. It looks like it selected that, but I'm on itemized right now and it says that right here. So I have to click change my deduction, and when I click that, I can change back to standard, and it's going to reload this page. Kind of looks the same, but at the bottom it does say standard deduction now. Like, that's what I have selected. So that's how you can change it with that button down there. And also, if you want to save 20% on your federal tax filing, I've got an affiliate link in the description or pinned comment down there. It helps support this channel. I've used TurboTax for over 10 years for both business and personal taxes, and I feel like I'm always getting the maximum refund every year because they guide me through the process, and I just feel confident. I feel confident that I'm doing my taxes correctly. It's much better than doing them by hand as I did before TurboTax. Also, if you ever want to, you can always get TurboTax expert assistance, and so you can hop on a call with someone live, etc. You can even have them do all of your taxes for you. But that's TurboTax, and if you want to save 20% on your federal tax filing, just use that link down below. I appreciate your support, you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.